Now let's talk putting it all together. Your Twitter funnel. What does the path to 10,000 followers and $1,000 in revenue look like? 1. Get discovered via advertising. 2. Build trust with your bio and banner. 3. Course links to get users to a landing page. And 4. Landing page gets them to buy. Let's break it down further. Step 1 is get discovered via advertising. So go fast, it's easier to slow down than it is to speed up. You get discovered using advertising. This is the whole process. So they'll see an ad like this, right? A user will come and they'll see this ad. Go fast, it's easier to slow down than it is to speed up. Then they click onto my profile. Then they see my profile, they see my bio, they see my banner, they trust me, they see my profile picture, everything's set up. Then they scroll down, they see the course links. The course links get them to the landing page on Gumroad, typically, and then they buy from you. That's all we're trying to set up. This is what people need to see. This is the experience people should be having with your Twitter account. They see your ad, they hit your bio, they trust you now, they see your course links, and they buy. And then you're making money. Then you're making money on Twitter, and then you're good to go. Now, how do we do this first part, which is to get discovered? Because I know anyone could tell you how to write tweets. Anyone could tell you how to set up your bio in a good way. But what I've seen very few of is correct training on how to use ads to grow fast. And that's our secret weapon. That's how we got Software King to 10,000 followers in, 48 hours. We spent $1,500 on followers via Twitter ads. Now, I'm not saying you're going to do that, although you could if you want. But if you want to get a lot of followers fast, advertising is the way to do it. And now, in the next section, I want to talk about that in detail. Let's go through in detail how to use ads to grow fast. I'll talk to you in a minute. But before we do that, set up your entire profile. Make sure everything's ready for the funnel. Do you have a course to sell? Do you have everything here? Are you negotiated? Is all of this good to go? Make sure all this is good to go before we jump into the next part.